Hey everybody, Anthony with T-Man's on here, and I'm proud to present our newest listing here at 6761 Parkside Avenue here in Paradise Hills. This property is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,373 square feet, and we're gonna be priced at $490,000. Come on in and let's see what this house has to offer. As you can see from the inside of the house here, brand new ceramic tiles here on the floor, high ceilings, upgrading ceiling fans throughout the entire property. Let's take a tour into the master bedroom, which is going to be on the first floor. Super convenient. A lot of people have that thoughts, should it be on the top floor, bottom floor? For master bedroom, convenience-wise, if you don't like to go up and down stairs, this is one of the main selling points of this property. You have an extended master bedroom, as you can see it through here. Upgraded closet space. You have 2 separate his and her closets. Upgraded windows throughout the entire first floor of the property. Matching ceramic flooring throughout the entire first floor except for the kitchen. And then you have your attached master bathroom. We're here on the second floor of 6761 Parkside. As you can see here on the second floor, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom here on the top floor. You have this carpet that goes throughout the entire top floor of the property. Your first bedroom over here, one of the 2 has a walk-in closet, as you can see here. And then your second bedroom, as you follow me along through here, this bedroom is not a walk-in closet, and yet you do have the extended, bigger size closet. As you can tell, these doors are massive, meaning more closet space for you and your loved ones. So 2 bedrooms on the top floor, 1 full bathroom on the top floor as well. And here's your upstairs bathroom.